Okay, what we just did is we just made a miter cut using this Craftsman CMCS714 cordless miter saw. That's battery operated. Okay, so I'm just comparing. I'm just showing everyone like that it actually did it. It's not the best like tool for this job, but it can do it if you ever rarely need to do it. That's a 45-degree angle, and that's your cut. So if that helps you decide whether or not you should buy this or not, I hope I've actually provided some demonstration. But there you go. So I think you can do everything you probably need to do for household work. So, oh, by the way, yeah, this was done on this saw. So my technique's not the best, and I am not a woodworker. This is just something I picked up for doing some small projects. Oh, sorry. This was done using a handheld, and this was done using this saw. So it did a really nice cut. There you go. Look at that. So to recap, what I've been able to demonstrate in these couple of videos is that this cordless CMCS714M1 Craftsman miter saw can cut cement board, OSB board, regular 2x4, which I didn't actually demonstrate, but a 2x6. You can cut, do 2x6 straight cuts and miter cuts. So there you go, for only $229. It's pretty much a DeWalt, but with lower grade quality. I don't think a DeWalt's going to be successful with anything bigger than a 2x6 type of a board. But there you go. Pretty much most everything you probably need to do for the home or for small craft projects.